Bubby. Hey, no. No. Hello family, I am back and today we're gonna do the unboxing of the Spring 2025 FabFitFun box. But before I show you lo que llegó aquí, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this channel. Así que, ¡vamos! Me acaba de llegar mi box de FabFitFun para spring. Lo que quiere decir es que winter is almost over and I'm very excited about that. We have a special guest in the channel today, Bolin, who wants to play with this ball and he's gonna be part of this. So let's get started. Ojalá pudieran ver cómo le brillan los ojos a Bolito cuando vio esto. Vamos a ver si no lo agarra. ¿Creen que lo agarre o no? Voy a ponerlo aquí. Si él lo agarra... me tienen que dejar un comentario, ¿ok? Parece que no lo va a agarrar, ¿ok? Oh, and sometimes they send you these scratch-offs, que yo nunca me he ganado nada con estos raspa y gana. Son estos, yo no sé, raspa y gana, ¿cómo se le dice? Vamos a ver si me gané algo. Let's see if I win. If I won anything. Un QR code. Oh. No me digas. Let's get on with the box. These are like little plates. We just got like a whole new set of plates and cups and it's all white. Así que combina con el set que nos acabamos de comprar. Son unos platitos where you put like the olive oil and you put the balsamic vinegar. And it's so cute because the olive oil goes like around here and then it's dented so that you can put the balsamic vinegar in there. And it just looks so cute. This is what it's supposed to look like. Así es como se debe ver. Although I don't know how is it gonna... The balsamic vinegar usually floats on top of the oil, so I'm not entirely sure how it's supposed to stay here, porque usualmente el vinagre balsámico flota en el aceite, pero supuestamente queda en esta forma que está aquí, I don't know. We'll see. I got this Glow Recipe Toner. No tengo toner, así que pensé que sería cool comprar este que está aquí. Es Cloudberry Bright Essence Toner. Let's see if it smells like anything. No huele a nada, huele como a hairspray, I don't know. It smells like hairspray a little bit. Ooh, did I spill it? Un poquito. So yeah, super cute. Oh yeah, I got these 24 karat gold collagen eye masks. Estos son para tu under eye, porque no tenía y hace rato quería unos. Like I've had some before, pero se me acaban, obvio que se acaban. So this is like a little pack and they come here sealed. And then when you do your face mask, you just slap those on. These are from Beautology Lab. Nano Active Gold Hydrolyzed Plant Collagen. Hydrolyzed. Bolin eats hydrolyzed food, para que sepan. Ese es el tipo de comida que Bolin come. Tiene que ser la proteína hidrolizada. I don't know what that means. Still don't know what that means. Anyways, this has vitamin C and hyaluronic acid, so very cool. Also, I got some pimple patches. As you can see, I have a lot of pimples. I changed one of my medications, así que estoy súper brotada. Así que estaba usando unos pimple patches. Compré unos en como Marshalls or something. I don't know. I got one in Ross or Marshalls. I'm not a fan of those. I had ones before that I really liked, so hopefully these are good. What else? Oh, you get deodorant on the go para que no les huela las axilas. A ver, so that's it for the skincare. Ooh, yay. I got some jewelry. Compré unas joyas. Estas son unas argollitas. Me parecieron super cute, miren. Son plateadas, porque bueno, ya tengo doradas, así que quería como unas de otro tono. Estas son de Crystal Haze, not Carolina Herrera. Don't get it confused. They are mini Serena hoops, silver plated, clear zirconian. Cool, let's see. Is it cute? Is it pretty? Parecieron cute las argollitas como para cuando quiero no usar oro. I usually wear gold. I mean, I wear mixed, obviously, but I thought these are cute. They feel good. I don't know. Do I look cute? Do I look bonita? I got more jewelry. No sé, no me acuerdo qué fue esto. Love AJ and Alisa Lynch, ni idea. Oh, yeah. I got like a tennis necklace. Let me show you. I'm blinged out, yo. Oh, it's cute. It's just like a little faux diamond necklace. We're manifesting, okay? Estamos manifestando aquí, okay? A ver, ¿cómo abro esto? Let me take this off. Voy a quitarme este que tenía puesto. So, what do you think? Is it cute? Does it look real? It is... It doesn't say, but obviously not real. I'm sure it's silver plated or something and cubic zirconian. Pero me pareció cute. No sé, no me puedo ver. Así que díganme ustedes si está cute o no. So this is all that I got in the box. It's a mix of skincare and some jewelry. And of course these little plates for the household. Which one was your favorite? Quiero saber cuál fue tu favorito para ver. Para mí, mi favorito, my favorite was... I don't know if I had a favorite. Honestly, if I'm being honest, I'm not like floored by this box. I don't know if it's what I picked. No, como que no me impactó este box. No sé si fue lo que yo elegí o qué, pero no sé, nada así como que me mató. Me gustaron las joyas. I thought the jewelry was kind of cool. So I think I'm most excited for that. Ese es el que más me emociona. ¿Y ustedes? ¿Cuál fue su favorito? What is your favorite? Bolin, what is your favorite? Huh? What's your favorite, baby? Which one did you like? The toner. Yes, you like the toner. Eso es todo por hoy. Gracias por ver el video. I will see you next week with a brand new video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this channel. And see you next week. Bye.